Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your freelancing goals with MindMeister easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open MindMeister and create a new mind map. Choose a central topic that represents your freelancing goals. Add branches for each main goal you want to achieve, such as finding clients or improving skills. For each main branch, add sub-branches detailing specific tasks or actions. Include deadlines for each task to keep you accountable. Use colors and icons to categorize tasks for better visibility. Regularly update your mind map to reflect your progress. Set reminders for the tasks outlined in your mind map. Collaborate with others by sharing your mind map with mentors or peers. Review your mind map weekly to adjust goals and strategies as needed. Export your mind map as a PDF or image for offline access. Use the mobile app to stay connected with your goals on the go. Celebrate small wins as you complete tasks and reach milestones. Visualize your progress to stay motivated and focused. Remember to keep your mind map clear and concise for easy readability. Utilize the automatic saving feature to avoid losing your work. Engage with MindMeister's community forums for tips and inspiration. By following these steps, you'll have a powerful tool to secure your freelancing goals. Incorporate your mind map into your daily routine for maximum effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.